So, it's my first night of moving in. Nag-ayos kami ng room and ang bigat ng mattress and all. Buti na lang I have my boyfriend to help me. Thank you. So, ayan, I'll show you my room. So, this is my room. My bed cover, my bedsheet. Wait, this is my window. It's just my aircon and my bed, my pillows. That's pretty much it. Ito lang yun. So, yun lang. As in, it's this small. It's like fake wall. So, ayun. Sakto lang siya for a petite girl like me. Dining area just for two. Probably for when my boyfriend comes over. And that's my balcony. This is my living area. Sobrang magulo ngayon kasi syempre Friday. So, it's yun na yan. This is my shoe rack. And my kitchen, which is super magulo pa din. So, no need to show that. Yeah, this is my balcony, but I'm not going to be opening this. I'm not a fan of balconies. Maybe this will be like my window lang. So yeah, I'll be staying here for like 4 months just for my internship. So this is just a temporary place, nothing really permanent. But I might consider moving out for good. But let's see. Hi vlog! Bagong ligo ako. Basa pa yung buhok ko. We're going out today to eat brunch. First morning! First morning in my new place.
First morning!
It's my first morning. Ito yung dapat kong pag-rentahan. Monarch ata yan or Solimare. I'm not sure. Pero dyan dapat. Kaso medyo luma na yung building. So, yun na lang. Pero maganda yung ano niya, amenities. Tsaka yung building itself. Parang vintage. Kaso ayun, vintage talaga yung loob. So, so far, disappointed siya. Dito ako nakabili ng vanity table ko na super ganda up to now. So pretty. Quick haul of what I bought today. First is the Post Laser Cream from Skin Station and concealer from Maybelline. And lastly, 3 things lang naman to. What else? Struggle na good represent. BLK. My favorite mascara ever. My holy grail. BLK mascara. Bili na din kayo nito. No bias pa. So, ayan. Those are the things I got. And later, mag-IKEA haul ako. Mga pinamili ko. A frying pan, which isn't mine. Binili lang ito ng boyfriend ko sa bed niya. Tapos, I got myself a mat, drying mat for my comfort room. Kasi, ayoko nang basa-basa. And ito, scissors. Pinag-isipan ko pa talaga to. Kailangan ko ba talaga ng scissors? Kasi namamahalan ako sa 150 pesos. So, pero I figured kailangan ko ito. Tapos, meron dito. Tongs. Tapos, gloves kasi ayoko naghuhugas ng pinggan and if I do, nag-gloves ako kasi naano ko sa mga rice. Ako lang ba yung ganun. Actually, tinatawanan ako sa paggaganon ko. Pero, ayun, mabuti na yung may gloves para si Pagod na mag-snipping gun. And sponge. This is only for 150 pesos. Tapos tatlo na. Still ba yun? Or hindi? Hindi ko alam. Wala akong idea. Pero, di ba? Mura na. Kasi meron isa, dog yung design niya. So cute. Pero 170 pesos. 70 pesos. Parang ang mahal for a sponge. So, ayaw ka doon. Gusto ko yung mga mura lang. So, yun. And this trash can. So, wala akong trash can. Trash bin. So, ito. Mini lang. For me lang. Anyways, that's all. Konti lang naman kasi fully furnished naman na tong unit. Then, we'll just eat dinner na.